Good morning. Yeah, today we blessed to see the Krishna in our school, that is the Mastermind C Techno School. So Kandi Hare Krishna temple devotees, they came and they were also blessed to see our Krishna, and all together we conducted the program in our school with a huge group of children. The main motto of this program is I want to make our children to learn the culture, tradition and the spirituality. These are the things I want to make our children to learn. So I'll hand over this mic to the Prabhu to say the importance about our Krishnastami. Thank you.
Hare Krishna to everyone. We celebrate many people's birthday in the world. Some of them are very great, some of them may not be very great. Because they are great, they have done something to this world. But Lord Krishna, being a creator of this world, He gave so many things to us. So to pay gratitude towards to Him, we celebrate this Janmashtami, which is very auspicious and which will bring happiness to everyone. Keeping this in the mind, we are celebrating Sri Krishna Janmashtami, and we are very thankful to Mastermind C Techno School to they gave us an opportunity to celebrate Janmashtami here. And Mrs. Navanita Garu, I am very thankful to you for giving us this opportunity to give little bit about Lord Sri Krishna. And we are celebrating Sri Krishna Janmashtami tomorrow in Kandi, opposite to RTO office. I request and I welcome everyone to come to this festival and be part of it and take blessings of Lord Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hi everybody, this is Kiriti Damaraju. Like, share and subscribe to Saira TV. Oh, Saira!